Hi, okay, so this is where I've parked my car. Over here is it's got a fresh water fountain. People come from all over to these fountains to get the water from the mountain. Okay, this whole area is a communal garden. So if we walk down here, right, so this is the main kitchen. Those are actually vaulted ceilings. We'll see one of them exposed in a minute. This is the kitchen with the fireplace. As you can see, really nice characteristic windows with a nice arch. This is, we go into the sort of one of the bedrooms, theoretically. You could have it as a lounge or something like that. Beautiful vaulted ceiling. That hook actually has the prosciutto. In the olden days, the hams used to hang from there. As you can see, the walls are really thick, about 1 metre thick. That's a bit of a dirty window, but as you can see, really nice views out of there. These are the old original doors. So opening onto here, I just had somebody clean the floors, so they're not actually, so they're a bit wet still, but anyway. As you can see, this is really nice old tiles as well. We zoom in, where they're actually really good quality. And we can actually shine up. That's what I was trying to do by washing the floor, but anyway. Anyway, here is one of the beautiful doors with the arches. And the windows have these lovely arches as well. This is what's outside the window. Really beautiful fields. And you can actually see the mountains way in the distance. So these are the old characteristic stairs that go up. Oh, this, by the way, we've taken off some of the plaster so you can actually see the vaulted ceilings underneath, and they're really, really beautiful. They become old brick. So when we come up here, gosh, they've really put more water on the floor than, anyway, never mind. Okay, so this is another of the bedrooms. So this is the roof, okay, that needs to be... God, I can't get in focus. Why are you not coming in focus? There we are. Hang on, let's see if I can go up again. Okay, so basically this roof needs to be... the tiles need to be taken off. New insulation layer needs to be put there. And then this thing, you keep this exposed, so you put the plaster work around there and it comes out looking really, really nice. So again, fabulous views from outside. Really beautiful. And just one more look at the old original. You can see the actual beams themselves are in really good condition. We'd probably maybe add a couple more of those struts, but they all seem to look pretty good. Obviously there's actually a leak over here. Oops. Why is it not in focus? Go down again, let's see if I can focus over here again. There we are, there's in focus. Okay, so as I said, this looks bad because obviously there's been a leak from the roof, but it's actually really nice because you actually expose those bricks, and I can show you some photos underneath of what it looks like when it's actually redone. So here we are in another of the bedrooms. Again, they've got a very nice, this next door neighbours, they've got a little terrace out there, so that's quite nice. And over here is another of the leaks in the roof. There you are, that's the leak in the roof. And again, as I said, the roof does need to be redone. Not totally redone, but it does need new insulation and things put on. Okay, so this is one of the old cupboards in the wall. This is rather a characteristic old doorway, which is quite nice. So we go down here. That's a view of the staircase. Again, I think she's putting excess water on everywhere rather than brushing. But anyway, so here we are. This is a small sort of area. Again, the roof is not bad. You know what I mean? It's not, you know, it can have, you know, its insulation put on there. And then the tiles put back. So it's not as expensive as a whole new roof. This is obviously one of the old doors that they plastered over. And this is the really nice terrace. Okay, so we come out on the terrace, and this is a really nice view, and this will be perfect for eating out and things like this. Okay, these are the old doors as well, they can be restored. So there's a lot of old features around here that can really be restored.